AC airflow weak right when you need it? Spring is when this problem shows up the most. After winter, dust, pollen, debris, and stuck components all start affecting your airflow, and your AC suddenly feels weak. Here are the signs and symptoms to help you figure out exactly what's causing it. Sign 1. If airflow feels weak from your vents, your cabin air filter may be clogged. Why it happens: spring pollen and winter debris build up and block airflow. Simple fix: replace your cabin air filter. Sign 2. If you hear noise with weak airflow, debris may be stuck in the blower fan. Why it happens: leaves and debris fall into the intake and get trapped in the fan cage. Simple fix: remove debris from the blower housing. Sign 3. If airflow changes randomly, your vent doors may be sticking. Why it happens: actuators can freeze or stick during winter and fail in spring. Simple fix: inspect or replace the blend door actuator. Sign 4. If airflow drops while driving, your condenser may be blocked. Why it happens: spring insects and debris clog airflow through the condenser. Simple fix: clean the condenser surface. Sign 5. If one side has weaker airflow, internal ducts or doors may be restricted. Why it happens: blend doors or ducts shift or clog over time. Simple fix: inspect ducting and actuator operation. Sign 6. If airflow is strong but not cool, it may feel weak overall. Why it happens: cooling inefficiency reduces how effective airflow feels. Simple fix: check AC system performance. Sign 7. If airflow keeps getting weaker, buildup is increasing. Why it happens: filters and components clog more over time. Simple fix: replace filters and clean system early. Sign 8. If airflow is weak at every setting, your blower motor may be weak. Why it happens: wear from winter reduces motor performance. Simple fix: test and replace the blower motor if needed. Sign 9. If airflow never improves, multiple issues may be affecting the system. Why it happens: filters, ducts, and components all restrict airflow together. Simple fix: perform a full HVAC inspection. Most weak airflow problems come from filters, debris, or blocked components. Fix those and your airflow comes back. Weak airflow isn't just annoying, it's your system struggling. Fix it early before it gets worse. Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more signs and symptoms to help keep your car running smoothly, and I'll see you next time.